This is how to play lomusa ongaka by Benjamin Dube. The original key of the song is the key of D, which is this key right here. But in this video, we're going to be breaking it down in the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. Okay, I'm going to start first by playing it to you guys just a little bit on the key of D so that you can remember it. And then we're going to break it down after on the key of C sharp. So on the key of D, it says lomusa ongaka It has a very simple chord progression, so let's break it down on the key of C sharp. On the key of C sharp, it starts right on this chord. This is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as C sharp major, second inversion. Okay, from 1 it goes to 2, second inversion, which is this chord. From 2 it goes back to 1. From 1 it goes to 2, first inversion. Alright, from 2 it goes back to 1, back to 2, from 2 it goes to 1, first inversion. From 1, first inversion, it goes to 6, second inversion. From 6 it goes to 5, second inversion. From 5 it goes to 1, first inversion. Okay, I'm gonna repeat it again for the last time. I said it's 1, second inversion, 2, second inversion, back to 1, and then 2, first inversion, back to 1, and then 2, and then 1. From 1 to 6, from 6 to 5, from 5 to 1. Right? That's our progression. So when you hit your first chord on the right, on the left you go to 1. When you go to number 2 on the right, on the left you also go to 2. When you go back to 1 on the right, on the left you go to 3. When you go to 2 on the right, on the left you go to 4. When you go back to 1 on the right, on the left you go to 2. And then when you go to 2 on the right, on the left you go to 4. When you hit number 1, first inversion, on the left you go to 5. When you go to 6, on the left you also go to 6. When you go to 5, on the left you go to 7. And then 1. Okay? Lomusa ongaka wanele bonke abazito